Okay, so you might be relieved to know that this isn't one of those new year, new you videos, by the way. So I'll just get that bit out there first. If anything, for this year, it feels more like new year, same me, just a bit calmer and a bit more intentional. I find that January, it always makes people add more to their list, more goals, more routines, and definitely a whole lot more pressure. So this year I've decided I'm going to do the exact opposite. I'm going to start taking things off. So I wanted to sit down and talk through what it is I'm not going to do this year and what I'm quietly building instead. One of my biggest goals this year is to actually focus. I've realised I don't need any more ideas. I need actually fewer distractions. So what I'm not going to be doing is chasing every new business model that comes out or crosses my path, every trend that comes out. Like, we get so obsessed with it. This is the next big thing video, because honestly, that content is chasing and it's just absolutely exhausting. This year for me is going to be more about depth, not width. I want to do a few things properly instead of everything half-heartedly. So this is a big one for me. I don't want income that only works if I'm motivated, if I'm visible, if I'm showing up every single day. I'm like a lot of you guys out there. I'm a mum, I work, life literally happens every single day. And some days I have loads of energy and other days I have none, literally none. So my ambition this year is very clear. I want an income that works around my life, not instead of it. That's why what I'm going to do this year is double down on low and medium content books. I'm going to double down on those digital products that I started this year. And these systems that just keep ticking over quietly in the background. Nothing about this is glamorous, but it's completely sustainable, and sustainability is the goal. So I've decided that I'm not buying into that kind of hustle culture anymore, which is what I think I was definitely in the early days of this YouTube channel. I used to think that the answer was always more effort, more hours, more output, more pushing. And I think that that's where I've discovered that that's not true at all. What I actually want this year, and I'm not saying, by the way, that can't work, and it absolutely does work for some people. But what's important to me this year is that I have less chaos, fewer late nights, less working just to feel busy, because how many of us are actually, if we're honest with ourselves, addicted to that kind of dopamine of being busy? I know I certainly am. I'm not trying to hustle my way to freedom anymore. I'm trying to design my way there. So that basically means systems instead of stress, consistency instead of intensity, boring habits that compound over time. So if I'm honest about my ambitions for this year, they're actually, I think, quite simple. I want a calmer pace, more predictability in my income. As I say, I work full time anyway, so this isn't about earning to live. This is about trying to be able to cut down on my working hours. I want to start building assets once instead of starting from scratch every single month. I want to work in smaller focused pockets of time and then actually stop. I want to actually be present with my kids without my brain constantly being in work mode. And I want to grow Mrs. D in a way that still feels like me and is authentic, but recognizing that I'm changing as well. Mrs. D has always been about building income in real life and me sharing with you what's actually reality. It's not about hustle culture. It's not about overnight success. It's not about pretending that we've all got a spare 10 hours a day, although I've been working as though I do. This year, it's about just becoming more intentional, more centered, more content. And I want to have more focus on that slow, repeatable income. And it might not be glamorous to you guys, and I'm really sorry if it's not. But actually, to some of you that are just struggling to get through the daily grind, this might be exactly what you need. I'm going to be sharing with you simple strategies that beginners can actually follow, and we're going to be building something together that lasts. We're going to have less noise, more substance. I think a lot of people just feel like they're behind, and that's what I've been feeling, and the pressure kind of just builds. But sometimes you're not actually behind. You're just done with the chaos, and that's not giving up, that's growing up. So this year isn't about proving anything for me. It's about building a life and a business that I can actually sustain mentally, emotionally, practically as well. So if this resonates with you and you're also craving a calmer way to build that income, then please subscribe to this channel. It helps me so much, and throughout this year I promise with you that I'm going to share some amazing tips. There's no pressure at all, but I'm here when you're ready. And I genuinely love to know in the comments, what are you not doing this year? This year doesn't need to be loud. It just needs to work. I'll see you in the next one. See you. Bye.